are continuing our Best in the Bronx series today, and we're in the Pelham Bay area. I just got off the elevator on the 7th floor of a 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath apartment that I'm stepping into right now. We're going to walk into this vestibule area right here. Carpets are a little dirty, they're going to be cleaned. Then we've got this kitchen, a lot of countertop space. These guys just moved out. We have a lot of little repairs to do to make this move-in ready. Dishwasher. Huge living room. You'll notice radiant baseboard heating. This spreads the heat out much more evenly in a room than a radiator does. Balcony. Take a look, 7th floor, nice view. Pan back around. All right, let me show you this room. Pass through the kitchen. That corner would be excellent for a small table and chairs. You've got room in this living room for a large sectional sofa, entertainment center, and coffee table. This vestibule area is very usable space as well, depending upon how you use it. A lot of closet space. Look at this double wide floor to ceiling walk-in closet. Now we're heading down the hallway to the 2 bedrooms, and we're going to pass by another. This would be beautiful as a linen closet. You got a lot of shelf space there, because it's right across from this bathroom that the light is burned out today, unfortunately. Sliding glass doors always makes a bathroom nicer than the shower curtains. 2nd bedroom, quite large, can fit a queen. Easily fit a queen with 2 nightstands. You'll see the radiant baseboard heating again. Big windows. Double wide floor to ceiling walk-in closet. Going into the master bedroom now. Really big windows. A lot of closet space again. Now I want to reinforce the point that this apartment looks a little worn today. These guys just moved out, I think, last weekend. This is a very well managed and maintained elevator building with laundry and parking, and this apartment has a balcony. And it has its own private half bath. Let's go take a look. All right, let's retrace our steps. We're in the master bedroom. Now this could fit a king. I forgot to mention furniture. A king, 2 nightstands, and a dresser. We're going to go by the 2nd bedroom. Easily fit a queen, 2 nightstands. Both bedrooms have a lot of closet space. The hallway across from the bathroom, linen closet. And then this double wide closet. It's actually more than double wide if you look at it. It's more like triple wide. Takes us back to this living room. Now just to recap, we're on the 7th floor of an elevator building that has laundry, parking. This apartment has a balcony, and this kitchen has a dishwasher. This would make a great new home for somebody. You can see it's a great price. Come on down, talk to us. This could be your next home.